All right. The first thing I need you to do is the 6-1 through 6-2 quiz. When you do them on number 5, only figure out what the X is. You don't have to figure out what the Y is. And then on the back page, flip it over. I only want you to do number 6 and number 7. All right? When you're done with that, then you can take notes on triangle similarities. It looks like this. And on this page, it should say 6-3 at the top of it. All right, we're going to talk about similar triangles. So angle, angle, that's what the AA stands for. When we have two corresponding angles that are congruent, then the triangles are similar. So I have a 75 and a 75 and a 31 and a 31. Well, that's the same. So I'm going to say that triangle ACB is similar to triangle DFE. And I have to do it in the same order. I went from 1 to 2 to nothing, 1 to nothing. If you don't do it in the same order, it's not right. All right, when I look at number 2, I know that I can legally mark vertical angles. And now that gives me an angle, angle. So I'm going to say WVX, triangle WVX, is similar to triangle. I start at nothing, 1, 2. So nothing, 1, 2. ZYX. When I have a side, 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 that means all the sides have to be congruent. All right. To know if these sides are proportional, I take a 3, that's my little one, and my 6, 3 over 6. That, if I reduce that in my calculator, I get 1/2. Now I'm going to look at the middle size of 4 and an 8. 4 over 8. When I reduce that in my calculator, I get another 1/2. 5 and 10 are the biggest ones. When I reduce that in my calculator, I get another 1/2. So all these proportions are the same, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So that means my triangles are similar. So I'm going to go down the small side over the medium. Triangle QPR is similar down the small side. That'd be triangle TSU. Let's look at number 4. Right, let's look at number 4. I'm going to take my small one, put a 30 over the smallest one there is a 24. When I put that in my calculator, it comes out to be 5 over 4. Now I'm going to do the middle one, 32. And I'm going to put it over 25 because that's the middle size. When I put that in my calculator, it won't reduce. 32 over 25 and 5 over 4 are not the same proportions. So I'm just going to say that those two triangles are not similar. For side angle side, if my angles are congruent and my sides are proportional, then it will be a similar triangle. So I'm going to take my 8 from this one and my 6 from that one. I'm going to take my 20 and I'm going to take my 15. If I cross multiply this, 8 times 15 is 120. 6 times 20 is 120. That's equal, so that means they're similar. So I'm going to say triangle JKL is similar to triangle MNP. All right, let's do the same thing in the next one. So we have a big triangle we're dealing with, and then we have this little triangle we're dealing with. So we know their angles are congruent because they both share angle A right there. So the side of the big purple triangle would be 25. The side of the little green triangle right here would be 15. That should be equal to the big side, 21, over this little side, 12. Well, 25 times 12 is 300, and 15 times 21 is 315. That is not true. That means that these two little triangles are not similar. All right, so those are your notes. Take your quiz. Send me a picture of your information or turn it in when you're back. Thanks.